Hello my friends, today we're taking a look at VEVOR's floor sweeper. This is the full kit that you get. So this is the sweeper itself. So as you push it along, the center blade cleans and pulls in all kinds of dust, dirt, debris, hair inside the little tank. And what you do is you go ahead and you lift this up. Let's see if we can show you guys here. If you lift this up, this is great for cleaning out the bin. So basically what you would do is lift this up, shake it over a trash can, and that's how you clean it, which is actually pretty cool. I like that feature. So again, you just lift up, it brings the trays down, you just shake it and clean it, just like that, and you're good to go. Now we're gonna go ahead and thread this on. We wanna see which pieces that we use. Also, before we get into that, this is a cleaning comb. So this allows you to clean off from hair and other stuff. Bristles on the side here as well for cleaning. Overall, it seems to be made very nice. So the piece that's going to go in here is going to be the double-ended piece. And you're going to be able to see the threads inside. And what you do is you just simply push it in and twist it on. Make it tight. And then you can go ahead and you can thread all the other pieces inside and just kind of repeat this until you get to the very end, and then you put this piece over. Okay, now it's going to look just like this. And you can actually see the lines in the carpet that it's cleaning. Well, you can see that it's actually working. We'll see what it picks up as we keep going along here. So we're not going to show you guys everything because this will get pretty boring if you guys are watching us. But I'll show you guys in a minute. See if it picks up some of this stuff over here. You can kind of see this right there. So that, oh, it did pick it up. Okay. What about this cardboard piece? That's too big, yeah. So that's just a fuzzy. So this is a fuzzy. That's probably why it's not picking it up. It's too much into the carpet. Well, we'll see how this works. Over here, our Sheltie dog is always over here, so I'll be curious to see how it picks up. Okay, to see how this worked, we're gonna go ahead and place it over here. Looks like some stuff came out from turning it. We're gonna try and do this over a plate. It's a little tough. I gotta use two hands, guys. Okay, so this is what it picked up, just about 5 minutes of cleaning. So it actually did work. You got some fur, some hair, just some odd and end stuff. You can see how dirty it got from cleaning. So it actually did work. You can see hair in there that it picked up as well. Some dog fur. Yeah, it does work.